Hello everyone and welcome to another FXCentrum trade idea for the day. For today I decided to cover Bitcoin and I'm going to start first from the daily time frame. So let's take a look at the daily time frame. I will take the and so here you can see better what we have. So Bitcoin did trade into the strong upside environment since May or beginning of April in a strong upside environment. But what happened basically last week is we had a breakout of the 20-day moving average. We closed below and we're holding below. And so from my perspective now, this previous swing low became resistance, and we can see that the market is having a hard time to return back above the 20-day again. Also on the daily time frame, we might see potential this like to be a bull flag, and if we can see the downside moving, there will be a chance for a further downside and another downswing on the daily time frame. So I will say sell trade idea. First I want to show you also what it looks like on a 4-hour time frame. So as you can see here, the 100-day 100 bar moving average was holding. This was this orange one. So market was rejecting there, rejecting, and then here market failed to rebuy. And we have the lower low and lower high. So here, this might be the corrective stage. So from my perspective, we can break this consolidation. So if we can trade lower, just take pen here. So if we can trade lower, and this will be a potential sales trade idea for the market to retest this low or even to trade lower. So in terms of the levels, I will say, so first of all, I want to see the market trade below 103,700 mark. And if that's the case, so if we can break this low, then we have a chance for a downside movement. And at least retest of the, let's say 99,000, 100,000 or so, or the 101,000. So that will be then a short trade idea. We take the short position tool. So if we can break 103,700, then I will say protected stop will be around 106,688. But basically the target will be lower. So the target is potential consolidation low. It will be like almost 3 times bigger over initial risk. This will be like 94,500 projected target. And this is how it looks like on a daily time frame. So basically we can clear that. I can definitely see potential for the market to trade into this area around 100,000 and eventually go to this rising 200-day moving average as well. So this will be a good area to see potential downside objective. So either 2 to 3 times bigger over initial risk. But we need a confirmation for the market to trade lower. So far we're just consolidating, and only the downside break will, from my perspective, confirm this downside idea and potential for the further downside movement of the dollar. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel, leave the comments below. Don't forget to check a 1,000 euros non-deposit bonus. You can link the description for FXCentrum. And that will be all for this trade idea. See you soon.